Okay, hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving Day, and I've been very quiet this morning. I've been not too talkative, but I'm trying to work out my hair. I did have to cut a chunk out of the back because it was acting up, and now my whole head is like, what did you do? So like I still have another week or so before I get my hair trimmed, so I have to figure this out. But today on Thanksgiving Day, what am I wearing? I am wearing a Cabi dress. I think I've already done a dressing room video with this, but it's Cabi's like a direct selling company for like, I think it's mostly just women's clothes and apparel. Ooh, yes, and I tied it in the back. But see, I have my my bra. Ooh, did you hear that? My bra that's showing. So, and it's starting to rain and getting a little drizzly here in Central Florida for Thanksgiving. So, boop, it's okay to show that, but I do have a little express. Is this size small? Yeah, like small, petite, little wear over jacket with tons of, I don't know what's going on with me and zippers and buttons, but like just tons of them everywhere. We're leaving the uncensored merch and apparel here, okay? We don't need to do that for Thanksgiving, but yeah, there's a couple pockets here. I can fit my comb in this pocket because my comb will not fit into my lovely Target rosebud little purse. It almost matches with my lips. We have the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Absolute Lip Matching Set here. The pinkini for the lipstick. Yup. And then, what is this one? Pink Credible. Oh my god, that's something about pineapple. It's Pink Credible for the gloss. And usually they don't match, and that was a total happy accident because I didn't do that on purpose. But Soap and Glory, the dynamic duo. Have you guys seen that animation with Saturday Night Live, SNL? I think it might be more from the 90s or early 2000s, but the dynamically gay duo. If you haven't seen it, just Google it, look it up. You'll thank me later. The dynamically gay duo. It's these two superhero guys, and they are fighting crime and evil across the globe and the world a dynamically gay way, which it's very good. Anyway, hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving. I'm like half femme, half like rocker glam. Got like I'm total love and thanks flowing, but also like a bit of a like badass vibe. Like, don't mess with me.